Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today in this episode I got two monitors in my new game room and a plug, because today I'm going to connect all of my monitors and my consoles to build a gaming PC. So for that I got this 100 charger, all these board scraps, and two monitors to build my gaming PC. Let's go. And just like that guys, my gaming PC is complete. Now I have two monitors, and now I'm going to show you the gaming PC. Let's go. So it looks like on this side I have pictures of video games like Here's the K2 and Gears of War. On this side I have like Minecraft, Fortnite, Halo, GTA 5 and Pac-Man. So that's all for my gaming PC. Now we're gonna see if it can turn on both the Xbox and the Nintendo Switch on. So here we go, time for the moment of truth. See if it can work. Yeah, I did it. Now the Xbox and Nintendo Switch is on. Now I can play Xbox and Nintendo at the same time. Now guys, will excuse me. I'm gonna do something. So that's all for this video. Hope you guys will enjoy it. See you guys next time. Bye.